Hi guys, it's Dayo again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to write an ebook or write a script on Canva. So the first thing you're going to be doing is pressing the plus sign, then you click on dock auto size. Just click on dock. It's going to refer you to an empty space or an empty a blank space. So there is a star icon below, so press on the star icon. It's going to ask you magic write, design a heading, then you click on magic write, then you write whatever question or whatever script you want the AI to generate. So I'm going to be typing how to make money as a digital artist. So we are going to be typing this title, then the AI is going to help us generate the script and everything. So just wait. So you can see that the AI has generated the complete script regarding how to make money as a digital artist. So this can help you write scripts for your content. It can also help you write ebooks. It can help you do so many things. So you just need to know how to use it. You can also just save it as a PDF directly from this place. You can save it whatever way you want to save it. You can still edit it as well. So I want to try editing the end part and the beginning of the write-up. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be highlighting the text, then I'm going to be bolding the text. So let's highlight digital art is a rapid growing industry. So the first write-up, we are going to be pressing on the B and bolding it. Then we go to the last part and we are going to highlight it as well. Then we press on B to bold it as well. So this is just practically how you can be editing your scripts and saving it as PDF. So for those who are interested in selling their content or their scripts or any whatever thing that you think will be beneficial for others, you can actually sell digital content using AI through Canva. So if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share with friends. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.